Imagine waking up with a very specific craving, sugar. Imagine waking up with a very specific craving, salt. Imagine waking up with a very specific craving, that one crunchy snack you swore you'd quit. What if part of that urge wasn't you, but a negotiation between your brain and non-human DNA living inside you? Today, I'm exploring the parasite logic, why your cravings might be coded by life forms that are not strictly you. First, the unsettling math. For every human gene you carry, your gut microbes add hundreds more. Their genes outnumber yours by at least 100 to 1. They don't just sit there. They build enzymes that digest fibers you can't. They brew chemicals that talk to your immune system. They release metabolites that ping your nerves and slip into your bloodstream, headed straight for your brain. Craving a donut? Your brain might label it me, but microbes can bias the menu. Certain bacteria thrive on fats. Certain bacteria thrive on sugars. Certain bacteria thrive on amino acids. If a community benefits from you eating more of X, the chemicals they release can nudge hunger signals. They can tweak reward circuits. They can steer taste sensitivity. It's not mind control, more like a biochemical whisper that feels like a thought. This goes beyond the microbiome. Parasites have been running behavioral experiments on hosts for millions of years. Toxoplasma gondii famously makes rodents less afraid of cat odors. Parasites that can alter fear can also, in principle, bend appetite. Some helminths shift immune chemistry and hormones like leptin. Some helminths shift hormones like ghrelin, which shape hunger and fullness. In lab models, infections can change what animals prefer to eat. Salty versus sweet. Infections can change protein versus carb preference, especially when the parasite needs certain nutrients. And then there's viral DNA. Your genome is peppered with ancient viral elements, molecular fossils from infections that became permanent residents. Some of these sequences have been co-opted by your cells and help regulate genes involved in development and immunity. That doesn't mean a virus is picking your lunch, but it does mean human appetite runs on code that isn't 100% human in origin. So how does the craving code actually work? 3 levers keep showing up: metabolites, short-chain fatty acids, bile acid derivatives, other microbe signals that modulate the vagus nerve and reward pathways, neurotransmitter precursors, tryptophan, tyrosine, GABA-like signals. Inflammation. Imbalanced microbiomes can raise or calm immune signals, which in turn change appetite and motivation. Here's the twist. Change the ecosystem. Change the signal. When diets shift, more fiber, fermented foods, diverse plants, microbial communities change within days. Cravings often change with them. Sleep, stress, movement. Antibiotics can reset it, sometimes in unhelpful ways. So next time a sudden urge grabs the wheel, ask, whose chemistry is driving? Then calmly take it back.